Welcome back to the third video of Module 2, Nutrition Basics. In this video, we're going to talk all about fats. So what are some things you may have heard about fats? Maybe that you need to eat a low-fat diet. Maybe that when you consume fat, it leads to fat gain. So hopefully throughout this video, I'm able to address some of these myths that you may have heard about. Let's first discuss what are fats. Fats are essentially made of fatty acids, and they include triglycerides, phospholipids, and sterols. So what are some functions of fats? So they help to transport fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. They also help with organ protection. They also help to keep you warm. And they also help with secretion of hormones. And they can be used as a fuel source if needed. Let's start by talking about triglycerides. Triglycerides are three fatty acids attached to a glycerol molecule. Glycerol can be converted into glucose for energy if needed, and they include saturated fatty acids, which contain no double bonds and are solid at room temperature. So some examples can be coconut oil, butter, meats like beef and turkey, chicken, etc. And they also include unsaturated fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Some examples of monounsaturated fats include avocado oil, olive oil, canola oil, and peanut oil. And the polyunsaturated fats you may know of or heard about are the omega-6s and the omega-3s, which include, fish, flaxseed oil, corn oil, soybean oil, walnut oil. So let's talk a little bit more about phospholipids. So phospholipids play a role in keeping fat spread in water. Fat cannot mix with water because fat, if you notice, like oil and water do not mix together. So, but the water in the body helps to spread fat throughout. And phospholipids help fat travel through the lipid membrane of cells. They include very low density lipoprotein, which transports fats to the body cell. They also include low-density lipoprotein, which helps transport cholesterol and other lipids in tissues. They also include high-density lipoprotein, which helps pick up cholesterol and carry it away. So you may have heard of the HDL and LDL. So those are common analysis done when you get your blood withdrawn. Ideally, you would like to have the low density lipoproteins, LDLs, low, and you would like to have the high density lipoproteins, HDL, high. Reason being is the accumulation of the LDLs can lead to certain diseases, and while the HDLs can help keep the cholesterol out of your blood. And sterols, which is commonly known as cholesterol. Cholesterol is actually playing a key role in your body, helps in the structure of all cell membranes. It is made in the body, and it can help make vitamin D, bile, and sex hormones. You would like to keep your cholesterol low, below 300 milligrams, so keep that in mind. So the recommendations, according to the USDA, is to consume 20 to 35% of total daily calories being fat. Saturated fats you would like to limit to less than 10% of total daily calories, and your cholesterol, like I mentioned earlier, less than 300 milligrams. So I hope this was very informative and you learned a lot more about fats. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.